it's your girl Real Betty B. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, special welcome. And if you are yet to subscribe, please do to subscribe. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make granola at home. So guys, come along with me. I will be using walnuts and coconut. Crushed walnuts, finely diced fresh coconut, a cup of milk, brown sugar, honey, and jumbo oats. Let's get started. Pour in your milk, 2 spoons of sugar, 4 spoons of honey, and allow to heat. This process is to ensure that honey and sugar melt before going into the oats. Be sure the nuts mix properly with the oats. Thereafter, you add the milk mixture. Do not overcrowd the tray. You preheat the oven for 2 minutes and bake. Homemade granola is ready. Allow to cool. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, see you.